Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
Garage door openers.
Number 5.
Chamberlain Grouper Joe 20 direct drive wall. Wall mount. Virtually eliminates noise and vibrations and frees up space overhead. New. In garage delivery with Key by Amazon, Prime members in select areas can opt in with the Joe 20 to get Amazon packages securely delivered right inside their garage. Simply link your Nico account in the Key app. Smart Garage Control. Open and close your garage door from anywhere with your smartphone through the Meek app. Automatic garage door lock. Deadbolts the garage door every time it closes. For complete security you can hear.
Number 4.
Chamberlain Group Chamberlain B1381. Features 3100 lumen LED lighting to fill your entire garage. Max lift power for heavier doors with a lift force equivalent to 1-1/4 HP. Built-in Wi-Fi enables smartphone control with Meek. Open close your garage door even when the power is out with battery backup. Enables secure garage delivery for Amazon Prime packages.
Number 3.
Mighty Mule MM9434K 9000 series. Smart technology allows for control anywhere with the MMW200 wall station. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant and IFT with applicable hardware. LED lighting pre-installed, no bulbs to change. Super quiet belt drive. Transmitters, MMT103, that work both with your Mighty Mule garage door opener as well as your Mighty Mule gate opener.
Number 2.
Direct drive 1042V004 garage door opener. Extremely quiet garage door opener with virtually no vibrations. Includes 2 X2 button transmitters and 1 interior wall station. Comolink compatible /Summer USA customer service available. Includes rail for 7 feet or 8 feet door height, full installation kit included. We'll replace the fastening bolt with a pressure plate.
Number 1.
Ultra quiet 2 horsepower belt drive garage door opener. Wi-Fi capable to monitor and control your garage remotely. Includes wireless keypad, outdoor keypad, remotes, safety sensors. battery backup capable Ryobi backup battery not included. Cannot ship to California. Wi-Fi capable to monitor and control your garage remotely.